Oh my god, there is a new lab test, and I will be exploring out today. But I'm kind of recording this after I just tested it all out. But yeah, I'll just show you my experience with it. There it is, new map. Construction site, bro. What's construction site, dude? It's the same map from the PvP map. Is there any new controller codes? Apparently there could be something. Just stuff that I don't put in here. Zone copy, what's a zone copy, bro? Yo, what are these? Vote broadcast. Wait, what's a vote broadcaster, dude? Bro, I feel like someone's pretty good. What is a chainsaw, dude? Hold up, what is a chainsaw? You've got to be joking me, what's a chainsaw, dude? Hold up. Where would you put that? Just put down this. Where would I find a chainsaw? Dude, what? Whoa. What's it? Dude, so it's basically a bat. Hold up. That's not a great idea, is it? Whoa. Dude, he destroys wooden blocks. Oh! Bro, this thing is unstoppable. Look at, you can't destroy these things, they're not blocks. You can destroy it. What is this? Whoa, what is this camera, dude? What's this? Huh? Oh, it follows it? Like a bomb? Oh my god, that's actually so cool. Really new, anything new now? This creator bundle just keeps on getting a lot harder. Like, hold up, we'll just like build a little fort here. Just move that over there. You don't get to see this. Now you get to see it. Bro, he just follows it. Hold up. I got a little idea now, you know. It can move. That's the crazy part. Yo! So you can move this wherever you want it to go. So just pull out these. Bro! Finally, the camera doesn't always have to follow you now. Okay guys, that's the end of today's video, and hope you enjoyed. Alright, bye.